Good morning, children. I'm Kaisen sir, working as a mathematics teacher in Dr. Bison School. In previous class, we have discussed chapter integers. Today also we have to continue the same topic, integers only. So what is our topic today? Integers. Integers. Children, note down. So in this chapter, how many exercise we have done? So in previous class, the exercise 1.4, okay, first Roman A, B, C, the three problems we have completed. Now come to problem number D. The problem D, exercise 1.4. Note down, children. First problem, first D problem, 82 into 20 into minus 5. Okay, so this one we have to complete. Okay, now solution. So generally we have to write the question first. 82 into 20 into minus 5. Okay, children. So that is equal to 82 into, we know that 25 is 100. So plus into minus 100. So we got the result 20 into minus 5 is equal to minus 100. So that is equal to 82 plus into minus 82 1 82. So how many zeros? 2 zeros. So we got the result minus 8200. Minus 8200. This is the exercise 1.4. Okay. First Roman D solution. Is it clear, children? Next, second Roman. Second Roman, verify the following. Observe here. Verify the following. Observe here. So verify the following. A, 27 into 6 into minus 4 is equal to 27 into 6 plus 27 into minus 4. Okay, children. So this one we have to verify. Okay. Now it belongs to which property you have to observe. Suppose 27 is equal to A, 6 is equal to B, minus 4 is equal to C. Now you can compare A into B into C. Question, in the question this is plus none. Okay, children, in the question this is plus only. Now observe here. A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. So this is belongs to associative property under the binary of, see, this is the distributive property. Distributive, not associative. Distributive property. Okay. Distributive property of multiplication over addition. So which property it is? Distributive property of multiplication over addition. So observe here the solution seen. So first of all, LHS, we have to take LHS, that is equal to 27 into 6 plus minus 4, that is equal to 27 into, we know that 6 plus minus 4, that is equal to 6 plus into minus plus into minus 4. Now 27 into 6 minus 4, that is equal to 2. 27 2s are 54. So we got it LHS 54. Now find RHS. So result RHS. Here I am writing RHS. RHS is equal to 27 into 6 plus 27 into minus 4. Okay, children. Now 27 6 6 7 42, 4 6 2 12, 12 plus 4, 12 plus 4 16. Okay children, next this is plus into minus minus. Okay, 4 7 ja 28, 2 4 2 ja 8, 8 plus 2 10. Okay, now 162 minus 108, that is equal to 54. Okay children, so 162 minus 108 is equal to 54. So what we can conclude from this, LHS value 54, RHS value 54. So LHS is equal to RHS. So LHS is equal to RHS. So verified or not? Yes, we have to conclude that verified. So this is correct statement only. So which property we have used? This is belongs to distributive property of multiplication over addition. So in previously we have discussed in last class distributive property of multiplication over addition, distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. So in this question we have used distributive property of multiplication over addition. Clear children? So this is the second question, A solution. Children, note down. Next to second Roman B solution we will see. Next question we have to do it. Observe this second question, B, second Roman B. Same, verify the following only. Minus 32 into minus 3 plus minus 7 is equal to minus 32 into minus 3 plus minus 32 into minus 7. Okay children, observe here which property it is. Okay, seen minus 32, this is A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. Which property it is? Distributive property of multiplication over addition. Okay, anyhow just we have to observe the, so first this is the LHS part and this is the RHS part. Now we will solve LHS part. So what is LHS? So LHS is equal to minus 32 into minus 3 plus minus 7, that is equal to minus 32 into minus 3 plus into minus minus 7. So minus 32 into minus 3 minus 7, that is equal to minus 10. Minus into minus plus 32 10 ja 320. So we got it 320 in LHS. Now we have to conclude RHS. So what about RHS? RHS is equal to minus 32 into minus 3 plus minus 32 into minus 7, that is equal to minus into minus plus 32 3 ja 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9, 96. So here observe here plus minus into minus plus 7 2 ja 14, 1 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 1 22, so 224. We have to add, okay, 6 plus 4 10, 1 no, 9 plus 2 11, 11 plus 1 12, 1 no, 1 plus 2 3. So LHS is equal to RHS or not? So LHS is equal to RHS. So this is the second question, B solution. Is it verified or not? Yes, it is true only. Understood? So this question depends on which property? Distributive property of multiplication over addition. I hope you understood very well. So A solution and B solution totally depends on the property, distributive property of multiplication over addition. I hope you understood very well. Okay, note down, children. Next, now we have to go to Roman number 3. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Sin. Now we will solve. Fill in the blanks. So children, you have to write the blanks. Write down first. Blanks note down. Okay, exercise 1.4, third Roman. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. The first one, A minus 3 into dash is equal to 36. Okay, we know that minus 3 into dash is equal to 36. Minus 3 into 3 12s are 36, we know. So this is what? Plus 36. That's why minus into minus plus. So minus 3 into minus 12. Minus 3 into minus 12. Why? Because minus into minus plus 3 12s are 36. So what is the correct answer? Minus 12 is the correct answer. Okay, children. Next to question B. 15 into dash is equal to 0. So for any integer, if you multiply by 0, then the result is what? 0. So what we have to multiply? 0 only. 15 into 0, 0. Okay, children. So 15 zeros, 0. So this is the B. Next, C dash into minus 7 is equal to minus 7. Dash into minus 7 is equal to minus 7. Okay. So 1 into minus 7, that is equal to minus 7. Okay. So 1 into property of 1. See, 1 into minus 7. 1 into minus 7 is equal to minus 7. So this is the C. Next to D. 156 divided by minus 12 is equal to dash. So seen 156 divided by 12 first. See, 12 1 ja 12, 13, 14, 15, 3 left. 3 and 6, it is equal to 36. So 12 3s are 36. So 156 by minus 12 is equal to 13, you write. And sign is what? If numerator or denominator, anyone having negative, okay na? If both are having negative, it will become plus. Okay, but either numerator or denominator, okay, anyone, only one only having the negative, the result is negative. So the result is what? Minus. So 156 by minus 12 is equal to minus 13. Next, next E minus 75 divided by dash is equal to minus 1. Minus 75 divided by dash is equal to minus 75 by 75. Why? Because minus 75 by 75 is equal to 75, 71, 5 cancel. So the result is what? Minus 1. So that's why we have to fill with 75. So this is E. Next, okay children, I hope you understood very well. A, B, C, D, E, C, minus 3 into minus 12, minus into minus plus, 3 12s are 36, correct. 15 zeros, 0, correct. 1 into minus 7, minus 7, correct. 156 by minus 12, 12 13 ja 156, this is plus, this is minus, so the result is what? Negative, correct. So minus 75 by divided by 75, 75 cancel, the result is what? Minus. So like that we have to check. Next, F, G, the two sums also we will complete. So what is the fill in the blanks? F. Next problem, once note down children, F and G. So next, F dash divided by minus 245, minus 245 is equal to 0. Dash divided by minus 245, that means, see, 0 by minus 2, 0 by 1, 0, 0 by 2, 0, 0 by 3, 0, 0 by 4, 0. So what we can say that 0 divided by minus 245, that is equal to 0. So the result is what? Here 0. Next, last one in the fill in the blanks, G, minus 14 divided by dash is equal to not defined. So what we have to say that, so if denominator is 0, okay, if denominator is 0, the result is what? Undefined, that means not defined. So we have to say that here numerator is 0, the result is 0. If denominator is 0, the result is what? Not defined. Simply you can remember. Okay children? Okay. So this is the fill in the blanks up to A, B, C, D, E, F, G. We have completed. Next come to fourth Roman. Okay. Fourth Roman, verify the associative property of multiplication of integers for the following values. Okay children, note down. See, fourth Roman, verify the associative property. Verify the associative property. See, fourth Roman, verify the associative property of multiplication of integers, of multiplication of integers of integers okay, for the following values, okay children. So x is equal to minus 2, and y is equal to 3, z is equal to minus 4, So verify the associative property. That means A, verify the associative property of multiplication. That means A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. Okay, children. Next, so we have to do that. See, associative property of multiplication of integers. So in the question we got it, verify the associative property of multiplication only. So associative property of multiplication, that means x into y into z is equal to x into y into z. Okay, so that is equal to, so x is equal to -2, that means -2 into y into z, 3 into -4. Okay, so this is the LHS, that is equal to -2 into 3 4s are -12, -2 into -12, that is equal to 24, that is equal to 24. Okay, next, x into y, RHS is equal to -2 into 3 into -4, -2 into 3, -2 3s are -6 into -4, that is equal to minus into minus plus 24. So LHS is equal to RHS. Observe here, children, if it is addition we have to use plus, if it is multiplication we have to use into, x into y into z is equal to x into y into z. If it is associative property of addition means x plus y plus z is equal to x plus y plus z. So LHS is equal to RHS. Verified or not? Okay, I hope you understood very well. Okay, children, so note down. Okay, children, so this is the today's class. Okay, I hope you understood very well. Okay, so what is today's homework? Today's homework, you have to practice homework, practice exercise 1.4. okay, problem D in first Roman, in the second Roman A, B, and complete third Roman, and fourth Roman first one A. So this sums you have to do practice. Okay, children, I hope you understood very well today's class. Again we will meet tomorrow. Thank you for listening. Thank you, everybody.